amanyete a solution. I think the problem ye chai talio bosimeki talio batoli tali kende ebintu mbire bibere tutakere gukora. Number 1 etakere kutwara research.
Okay.
To implement research in our farming.
Okay.
There is no research in the KTDA yoka may not be doing the research. Ntu akatwara extension officers bali kumnyoke megondo bago somia abantu out of research to ikerega. Research is not being done, for example.
Okay.
Number 2 is marketing.
Right.
Who is doing the marketing for our crop? Inere issue. Marketing yomo ikoyo ngokolete na marketing yomo gusi ngokolete. Echiro ngaibone echire go tutantanele. So we need to sensitize our farmers on the right farming methods, for example, and at the same time we also need to know about who is doing marketing for us. Marketing is done by our leaders. Introduce legislation. Arosigu ago safeguard was ago protect omolemi against exploitation. Omolemi ange yago tumeka kwanyora kibesa chinyinge omolemi ago kora kibesa onyore fraction 5%, 95% yagenda so muntu utana kutacha mugondo. Are you seeing?
Yes.
As in the name of value addition, what the bunga yaya, na value addition, na baba the value addition, because I try to value addition, I call it again to get over Saigo, Nagatia one and 2 broker. Broker. And that kind of brokerage in a remechand error. None of the issue we have value addition, which needs industrialization. Of course, chief factor in each industry. So this industry is to where they introduce chigo value, chigo value as a chayaito, and in that tokonya. They are going to smegete, and you slavery mosongo yareng, and again renga, and again tabacavon. By the way, Aaron, every Mali in Africa, we are smegete as a form of slavery. Like that is why most punishment thing about ticket to achieve. So that we give them 5 shillings bato every Mary. Lakini bagira mwere tukuliyima yani banagoteberera mbangainia bateberera mbangainia so that bato kolrega asiki bagatoko cha kuna gotoko tiga amasikali iga banakobachwa teme cyari kimogondo baebesa ebasibe mogondo naende baebesa enke babasigo chikongainia kosemba basigo chikotene babo kama minando baebono babasigo chikotene ngabari mogondo. What I'm trying to say is aba Kenya ndutagere ko ryenchera cyo gutumeke mariye kigito yani na intu twesibole kurwa sobo sibu kurwa slavery eri enkoro by adding value to our crop by doing marketing in the right way. Okokora business within our continent as Africans. That is one way we decolonize. To create markets within ourselves and amongst ourselves. Anya toko nyoranga basongo balia barabu bago to exploit. We can also look for markets even in other continents like Asia, like Australia, so that we try to liberate ourselves. So exploration of new markets. Another thing, even creating markets within ourselves, encouraging the local people to consume our own crops. You know that kiyo kanabokara garenga abantu banjira anye chai arosi we aberengia anye coffee arosi we aberengia indutwe kabanye nana batokwebori our own coffee even with Africa, within Africa and other parts of the world. New markets are important. Tikabali gere lichinse muna chirito tu achakira ngale ya sana barabu na China. Lakini onye mba kuri yenjere kabireyo yabajisiringa icyunya gotigara muna cyarenge nabo sombo obatagokora mugondo nabo gotigara kabireyo. At the same time onye brokers mba korusigo on the way omolemi na bagotigaro cyane geta matukonse. So legislation netegere ko introduced enjireri yo korusi brokerage ne rendo chereme cyane menge na enchire to chora barai na barabu toligi enchire yo chora barai para be genuine para toligi lichichiro na bara manyanga chibe chito ngai chikoliki na ande batida bya ke na chibe chikoliki na serikali neta keire go introduce machiko yoko keya ki tax chekro anya molemi o producer ekemelia serikali na te koninta in the form of tax yani intapi yani ya romo lemipi ngane tax. So taxation is also another form of exploitation kokora no necha ligo lio cha yake no molemi chikonyore genteke gende yatigara serikali gende yatigara broker gende yatigara chichiro chia ngumbu chiko to exploiting tra kora value addition as a elevator. So that is our participation moralia as a legislator kanonga guli bagasa as a legislator abotokoliga linga ki ngamachi ko kitra beke ara protect mulem yeah.